people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, yes you, welcome back to the family. By the title below, you guys already know what I'll be doing in today's video. So yes, I'm back with another hair review, and today I'm working with Yolissa Hair. They sent me some beautiful unit and we are gonna unbox it and install it together. So the packaging looks like this, cute and girly. So let us get into all the goodies that they sent. So let us put the unit aside for a second and look at this stuff. And now let us get into the unit. So it's a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. The wig cap size is large, it's 250 density and it's 22 inches. Ooh, straight out the packaging, she looks like this, very bouncy. And full. The curls are juicy. So it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, but not pre-cut. So we're just going to do a little cutting, but nothing too much because it's 5x5. But this is her. Look how juicy the curls are. So nice. Let us get into the lace. What lace? What lace? No, look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. And then the construction of the wig inside looks like this. So it comes with an anti-slip band. It's adjustable. And then these two adjustable straps at the back. 3 combs, one at each side. And then one to the back. So that's that, guys. Now that my edges are slicked back, my wig cap is on, I applied my foundation just to the part where the lace will be showing. I'm going to put on my wig. So let us get into that. Wow. Just wow. So pretty. Look at this. Now guys, look at this. I haven't done anything at all and this is giving scalp. So pretty. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now is to wrap it up and cut the lace. So you can use whatever you have to cut your lace. You can use a scissors, a razor blade, whatever you guys have. Let me just brush everything back. So you can go ahead and use what you have to cut the lace, but I find that using the little tiny scissors is better for me. So that's what I'll be using now. If you have a jagged edge scissors, you can use that. It will let the cut look a little bit more realistic, so it's not too straight across. But I'm going to just run my hand across. You guys will see how I do it. And cut. So you don't want to hold it straight across. You want to just move your hand around so that it gives a realistic look and not too straight. And that's it. That's it, guys. So pretty. What? Love it. Love, 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 love it. So this is what we are working with now. I don't even have to spray it down. Guys, look at that. You can't even tell what lace. No, what lace. So nice. I know I could just leave it glueless like this, but I'm going to add a little got to be just to hold it a bit and then melt it down. So not too much. I'm going to put it on my finger this much and then apply it to the front. That's all, guys. So just a little bit. Alright, so we're gonna melt that down. So now that it is melting, we're gonna go ahead and flat comb the top. Alright guys, so I'm done adding some loose bouncy curls to the unit. Nothing too crazy. I just went in with big chunks and curled them up, and this is what it's looking like. So now that's out the way, let us go ahead and remove this melting band. Beautiful. This is giving very much scalp. And this is the final look. Oh, I look like a model, right? Comment and let me know. So this is the end of the video. Comment in the comment section and let me know how did your girl do with this little install, even though I didn't do much. All I did was to cut the little excess layers. It was already pre-bleached, pre-plucked and pre-curl. I just added some juicy curls to show you guys how well this unit takes heat, and it takes heat very well. Love that. It is soft, it is bouncy. The unit was just easy to work with overall. If you want to purchase this beautiful unit or something similar to this, click the link in my description box and check them out. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sponsoring today's video. Bye guys.